Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. It's time for another lot of scraps to embellishments. So this theme for this swap is bear hugs. So anything bear related. Can be a teddy bear, a polar bear, a grizzly bear, whatever. I've got a panda bear stamp. So I thought, well, I'm going to use him. It's the actually only bear stamp I have. Yeah, so I'm going to stamp him on white cardstock. I've got the scraps over there, and then I'm going to cut out this die because I had in my head leaves coming like beside him or behind him, and I was going to use these dies to put leaves behind him, and I saw this die and went, oh, it's already got the leaves, so why not use that? And then in case he blends into the paper, because this is the scrap I'm using for this, if it's not big enough, I do have other green scrap here I can use. If he blends in, or I don't like the look of all that in the leaves and the circle behind him, then I've got another circle die that I can put over the top and then stick him down. So let's make some. I've got 4 to make, so let's get going. Okay, there you have it. My Bear Hugs swap made from scraps. I just think he's really, really cute. He can be used on all sorts of layouts. Baby layouts, children's layouts, trip to the zoo, all sorts of things. I think he's really cute. So there you go. There's my 4 scraps to embellishments. No, yes, scraps to embellishments for the Bear Hugs. If you have any questions about any of the products I've used or anything else, then please comment below. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.